Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn about MD5. So what is MD5 and how we can use it in MIT App Inventor app and where we should use this MD5. So what is MD5? So MD5 is nothing but it's just a message digest algorithm. Okay, and MD5 was initially designed to be used as a cryptographic hash function. Okay, just let me explain you in a very simple way that if I just create a one app, okay, and where I just need to store my password. Okay, so whenever we create our app in MIT App Inventor, so we will store our password and username in CloudDB. Okay, suppose someone hacked your app, okay, so they can see your password, right? So that's where we will convert our password into MD5, then we will store our password in CloudDB and other server. Okay, so how we can do this? So let's see. So I'm just create this project MD5. Okay, that's my project name. For that we have to download one extension. So this extension will convert any text to MD5 string. Okay, so here's the extension called MD5. Click on this extension AX5. I will give you the link of this extension in the description. Okay, now we need to import this extension here. Just import this extension like this. Now drag and drop this extension, and let me just do one thing. I'm going to drag and drop one button and one label. Okay, and go to the block, and whenever someone click on this button, okay, so we will convert one text in MD5. So and we will set this text MD5 text in a label. So set label 1 dot text value to, just click on it and call this here, and we will convert the some hello text, suppose hello. Okay, so that's our word here, right? We will convert this word in MD5. So click on it, and you can see that's the string, right? But this one is non-reversible. Okay, so how we can use it? So simply, whenever click on design, whenever we will store our data, like let me just do it right now. So I'm going to use one text box here. Where is this one, and I'm going to another text box for storing my password. Okay, so whenever I put some password here, okay, so I'm going to use one more button. Using this button we will fetch the password. Okay, show password. Okay, and on click this button we will store our password. Okay, it means login or registration form like this. So let me just drag and drop one connectivity, go to connectivity and no storage, sorry, CloudDB, and go to the block, and whenever someone click on this button one, it means this one, we will store the data in CloudDB. So on button click, whenever someone click on this button, so we have to store this data. Click on CloudDB and you will find CloudDB.store value, and text should be text box 1 dot text. Okay, and just copy paste, and value we will store text box 2 dot text. Okay, this one as a value. Now we have to fetch the data on button 2. Click. Okay, so click on this button 2. So whenever someone click on this button 2, so we have to fetch the data from CloudDB. Okay, so you'll find the here option get value. Just drag and drop it here, and which tag we have to get? We will get the text box 1 dot text get, and if there is nothing and there is no value, so we will call it not found option, this one like this. Okay, and now click on CloudDB and you will find your got value option, this one. So whenever we got the value, so we have to display this value in the label. So label 1 dot text set, and we will get the value here, this one. Okay, and Let me show you how this app works. So you can see there's two text box. So let me just put some value. That's my username and that's my 12345 password. Okay, click on store button. And now we have stored our password. This 12345 is our password. It's stored in the Cloud DB. Okay, click on the show password button. And you will find here the tag is Saurabh and the password is 12345. It means whenever someone hacked our app, so anyone can read our Cloud DB data because we have stored the value is password as a 12345. Okay, so now let me show you how we can convert this password in MD5 and we will store this password. Okay, so no one can read our password. Okay, so here whenever we store a password, it means value to store. So we will call here MD5. Click on this tool and we will call it here like this here. Okay, now let me run this again and let's see. And let me store again Saurabh as a username and the password is 12345 and store this value. Right, now we have stored our data in Cloud DB. Now whenever someone click on show password, so what they will get, if they will get our username but they can't get our password, they can't see our password, original password. Here you can see. But whenever you use some condition, if else condition to log in into your platform, so you just need to convert that one password, simple password, to MD5. Then you have to match your Cloud DB or your server password with this MD5. If both are same, then you can allow your user to log in, right? So that is the process to secure your password or your application, right? So this value always be same if you are using 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if I just use one like Harry, that's my password, click on store, I'll click on show password. You can see that one. So that one is Harry value, right? This one. And this one always be same. Okay, so that you can convert any string from text to string using there are a lot of website like convert text to MD5 like this. MD5 hash generator, that's the website here. You can convert any text to as a MD5. You can see that. Like, let me just check how it's work on fine or not. So you can see 38, this one is value of Harry. Okay, so just type here Harry and generate, and you can see 70E9 70E9, the same value is here, right? So that's very useful extension to secure your app. Okay, so let me know if you have still some doubt, you can ask me on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.